Hey, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use Google Pay on iPhone. So when you go to the App Store and in the search when you write Google Pay, you won't see any result because there is no available Google Pay, Google Wallet app inside the App Store. So you need to close this and go to your browser, and where you need to go to the Google and write the simple keyword Google Pay inside the Google search. Then you need to open the first result, which is pay.google.com, and you need to click Setup Google Pay. From here, you can add cards to your Google Pay. You can also see the transaction history. So here is your Google Wallet and you can customize it. Or if you want to use the same cards on your iPhone, you need to do the simple thing. You need to transfer your card to the Apple Pay, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.